The question, beloved Swamiji, humble pranam at your lotus feet to manifest powerful cognitions and create what we want. Will it happen quicker through intensity? I should use the word will persistence. Listen. Ganga, river, breaks Himalayas not by power but by persistence. She doesn't break the hill, Himalayas, by power, no. The force which she is coming down, Himalaya doesn't get broken. Maybe few stones move. The hill itself doesn't open up. But when she stays, when she gets blacked, she stays, overflows. By her persistence, she breaks the Himalayas. So I may want you to have a small shift in your understanding. Whenever you want to manifest powers, or want to manifest anything, intensity is nothing but your imagination. Persistence is the real tapas. What do you know about intensity? Everyone claims they are intense. It is the persistence which shows whether you are intense or not. I have seen people claiming intensity. I intensely want to be Adinavasi. Accept me now, Swamiji. Okay, all right. Please join the Sadashivatva program. No. 21 days is too much time. Arey, what do you mean? You say you intensely want, but you don't even want to spend 21 days for orientation. Many times I have seen people coming and telling, I want sannyas now, give me sannyas. I said, all right, I'll give you Krama Brahmacharya. Live this life for 1 year. Let's see if you are really able to be successful, then I'll give you sannyas. No, I cannot wait 1 year and I'll give me sannyas now. When you are intense, why can't you be persistent? And after all, you are going to be sannyasi forever, for whole life. What's the problem if you receive today or after 1 year? Understand, many times your ego, to make you falsely believe you tried your best, it is not working out for you. It makes you feel you are intense and you have exhausted yourself completely. Now it's okay, let us do something else. Do not believe the word intensity, believe only persistence. Will is made out of material called persistence, not intensity. Intensity has no meaning. What is intensity? Intensely, I am trying to open the third eye. More than uttering that word with all the pressure. Intensity. What meaning it has? Persistence. Will persistence. Listen to the word. Will persistence. Ganga breaks Himalayas not by intensity but by persistence. You manifest what you want. You break into Prakriti. You manifest what you want in Prakriti by intensity, not by intensity, but by persistence. You break through into Prakriti, not by intensity, but by persistence. Persistence is actually the scale with which you need to measure even your intensity. Listen, just if you are honestly seeing yourself, you will understand most of the time you hypnotize yourself to believe you are intense just to dump that action. Oh, I was intense, I am intense, I tried my best with all my intensity, it's not working out, let me go to something else. Just for that you use the word intensity. How many of you agree what I am saying? Most of your intensity is ego's delusion. All right, tell me, what is intensity? Word which has no meaning but puts you in a space as if it has meaning is delusion. I should say persistence, not intensity. I have seen people, it is persistent people who are successful, not the so-called intense people. The so-called intensity is all like emotional ups and downs. I have seen people, I have seen enough of intense people. But they will not have persistence. I have seen people saying, give me sannyas now. Intensity. Okay, I'll give you krama brahmacharya and take sannyas after 1 year. No persistence. No, then I don't want. Go. Understand, persistence makes your will into reality. Persistence is the scale of even measuring your intensity. Just intensity is nothing more than a cup of coffee. When you drink Texas size Starbucks coffee, everything will be intense. You can't sit, you can't sleep, you can't do anything, you will be just intense. In Tamil there is a proverb, Injidina Kurangu, means the monkeys, in Tiruvannamalai I have seen in my native place, that monkeys will come batch by batch and they will grab whatever is in the kitchen and start eating. One good thing with Tiruvannamalai monkeys is, they don't harm people, they don't disturb people. They come regularly and visit whatever is there in the home, they will eat. Sometimes by mistake, they will bite the ginger. The monkeys' salt level in their blood cannot handle ginger. See, ginger, to digest ginger, you need certain salt in your blood. Human beings have that level of salt to digest the ginger. These fellows don't have that much of salt to digest the ginger. And their intestine is also not capable of digesting ginger. So they will get into the mood, oh God, they will make a ruckus. It is almost like they had alcohol, liquor. Human being, if he drinks 2-3 liter liquor, village arak, how he will behave, exactly they will behave like that. They will jump here, jump there, jump. They can't digest. Your intensity is most of the time monkey which has bitten the ginger. The ginger effect will come down in 3 hours. Usually if you give the water taken out during cooking, means the when you cook white rice, the water which comes out. Nowadays you guys cook in the cooker, that is why the diabetes. If you cook in the pot and remove that water, the whole starch will go out, you will not have diabetes. I guarantee anybody, if you take out the starch and eat rice, you will not have diabetes. From my experience I am telling you. Both my parents are diabetic. And I started having. All I did is just one change. Just I shifted the method of cooking. No more cooker, just pot, remove the starch water. I'm eating rice. Nothing, I'm healthy, completely healthy. Just this only one thing, you'll be out of diabetes. That starch water, if you give, only then that monkey will settle down. Till then it cannot settle down. All your intensity is more or less like a monkey bit the ginger. Jumping, 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 jumping. But that is not going to lead anywhere. That's not going to lead anywhere. So I may want you to use the word will persistence, not will intensity. Will persistence will make you manifest powerful cognitions. See, this whole Sadashivatva, I know the Facebook and the internet, too much buzz is going on. Today I have so many questions on Sadashivatva. Will you open it for others also? Non-Adinavasis and all. In the Facebook, around 45 questions in my page. Giving all great context. You are so compassionate. You are Sadashiva. You are Arunachala. You are Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Yes, I am Sadashiva. Please come and live with me. Come on. Let's do what we need to do to the world. No, then you are not Sadashiva. I am Sadashiva as long as I say, I do what they say. Long cajoling requests in multiple ways. See, I understand. I only manifested some 7-8 powers to the Sadashivatva participants. Don't be pressurized by it, by them now itself. They are going to manifest all 400 within next 2-3 months. Wait for more fun. Understand the principle, why they are empowered with so much of powers in such short time, in so much, because they have decided to do Sadashiva's work. See, the whole purpose is different. See, if you have your own vested interests, then you receive only certain level. See, it is not that for you I give an half-inch pipe, for them I have a 10-inch pipe. No. I am same. When I put my hands and initiate, I am same. Your context is you have some other goals. You give whatever your reason, that is okay. I am not saying right, wrong, judging and all that. When you have your reasons, you receive whatever you can. In them, the very context for which I am functioning and their functioning is in so much of tune, like a floodgate, it hits their being and starts manifesting. What can I do? Because the reason for which I function and reason for which they function is one and the same. So naturally they are manifesting and they are going to be manifesting. So it is not that I keep it in like a ration and I pour 2 liters for you and 10 liters for them. No. Understand, in cosmos, communism does not work. That's the most stupid philosophy on the planet Earth. Same way in cosmos, capitalism does not work. That's the most cunning philosophy. Cosmos is neither stupid nor cunning. It is compassionate, responsibilism. Cosmos works neither on communism nor on capitalism. It works on responsibilism. What is the responsibility you take in life? What is the context you set for yourself in the life? Based on that, he manifests. That's all. He manifests based on that. So the whole Sadashivatva is manifesting for the people who decided to do his work as not just first priority, only priority. See, first priority is different, only priority is different. Because they decided it as only priority, the manifestation becomes totally different, altogether in a different scale. Understand, my initiations are same, I am same for everyone. It is based on their context they receive and they manifest. So everyone who has sent long messages in my both pages, Paramahamsa Nityananda and Sri Nityananda Swami, long messages in person. Can I come and gain powers and knowledge and be a volunteer, not committing to be Adinavasi? I don't date. No dating is possible. So the context sets the consciousness to a different frequency. So what you are, surely I am available for you as much as you can receive. I am available for everyone. See, I am like Ganga. If you come with a cup, carry me in a cup. If you come with a pot, carry me in a pot. If you come with a lorry, fill me in the lorry and go. If you come with huge container, fill me in the container and go. If you want to make a canal, make it. Up to you. I'll be flowing always. From my side, I neither have favoritism nor have any yes, no, all that. I just flow. Whoever wants to take whatever responsibility. Responsibilism is the law of the cosmos. Whoever takes responsibility, enjoy powers.